Yes, people, and welcome to a new video of my channel. And if you look into this video, you may searching for a dark mode on Instagram. Well, welcome to my Instagram, and I'm gonna tell you directly how to go to dark mode in Instagram. If you want to go to dark mode, you can't do it in the app Instagram. What you have to do, you go to your home page in, to your home in iPhone, and you get this view up. Well, you scroll up your on your phone from down to up, to get this view, and you toggle the light button. Well, you see here, you see this light settings, but you don't scroll it up and down, but you hold it, and you can see at the left bottom, you see dark mode off, and you press dark mode on. So you tap it, and now we go look if dark mode has come to Instagram. And you see, well, we have dark mode in Instagram. So if you have dark mode in Instagram now, while you're watching this video, please say it in the comments, and please give us a subscribe to show some love. Thank you.